Some of you are posting on Canvas quiz questions that need to have work shown in order to get the question right. You can do that in Canvas. However, this video is to show you how to show students the right way to get to an answer through a video if they get the answer wrong. So to do this, you're going to go into your quiz question, and when you're hovering over it, you're going to see the little pencil appear. You're going to click on that pencil to edit the question. When you scroll down underneath your two answers, this is a true-false answer, but if they choose, so you can have a comment for the correct answer, a comment for the incorrect answer, and then general comments. I'm going to click enter comments for a wrong answer. And once I get there, then I can either post a link for my video that I want them to watch, or better, I can embed a video. And I would do this in the same way that I would do it in a Canvas course. So I would go to the video. For example, if I'm trying to show students one more time how to graph a slope-intercept equation, I would create a video, post it to YouTube in this case, and then I'm going to click share. I'm going to go to the embed code and Control C, or I can push copy for myself. Then I'm going to go back to the quiz, switch over to the HTML. I put the word jolly here because that's where I want my video to go. So I'm going to delete jolly and paste my code. And then I'm also going to take out my hyperlink here. And then when I'm done, I'll push done. And when they choose the wrong answer, now my video will pop up so that they can see exactly how to do the right answer. In this example, I did it all on whiteboard, but you can choose to do it a different way, like on your Elmo or on OneNote, or however you would like to show them.